Justin here. Hello. Let's talk about my new SX-70 rig. I custom built this mostly so I could focus and shoot with opposite hands because the shutter release on an SX-70 is right underneath the focus wheel. And I found it difficult to use. And so I went overboard because sometimes that's what you do. So let's take a look. So this is my new SX-70 rig. What is this built on top of? Well, the key here is that it's got a old Vivitar, I think it's a PG1 grip, circa sometime I think in the late 70s. It's got a big TT600 flash on it, pretty common these days. My old Mint flash bar, which I've used a lot. But the trick here is that it's got a mechanical shutter release with my electrical mechanical interface, which is a custom cut. I recut a mechanical release to an M4 thread, which is plated into this piece of 1/8 inch 6061 aluminum that cut on the bandsaw with a little mechanical switch underneath that makes it all work. Just tie it into this shutter release button over here. So underneath, if we look at the bottom, I've actually recentered this. So the bottom plate, which you can see I have not polished out, is actually back attached. So the 70 has this tripod socket way in the back, and the problem is when you put it on this handle, it leans really far to the front. And so what I did was I made this custom plate, cut it up again, 6061 1/8 inch aluminum, pretty common stuff, not very exotic or fancy. And the beauty of it is that it makes it really easy to handle. It actually balances on the table. It's actually completely nicely balanced. Underneath the hood, if we play with this little button, I've got an empty film pack in here, and we can see the little shutter release here, and if we'll see the flash in the back, and if we close real close, we can see that little mechanical button right there. And because our main flash unit, the Mint, has a 2.5mm sub on it, connects right up to the TT600. And at this point, I'm now mostly testing it. So, yeah, fun little build. Took me all about a day. Took me longer to find a pair of M3 screws. As you can see, I did not have countersinks. But yeah, quick little build, SX-70. Now I'm going to play with it and shoot a whole bunch of film with this and see how it performs. And yeah, otherwise, have a wonderful day. See you later.